What's up, guys? I've got an S here. It's freaking what's it called? That's not Robloxian. I got a clones caught. No Robloxians killed. No, I got an S tier. That's all I care about. My stats. I have never in my I thought never in my life I got a free tier, but I have just never. I've been see. It's actually not much. Going to learn. Ooh, that's a lot. Rounds played 24. A live streak 1. Nightmare wins 2. Leaderboards. I'm not on this probably at the worst most donated. How much did you donate? Stop your first clone. Wait, it's mine. Wait, I want to check my badges. Okay. I found an angry clone. It's actually happened to me. Found an angry clone. It's 2. Play an hour. Let's just say I don't go outside a lot. Orange man. I love the orange man. Stop your first clone. F rank. S rank. Play that's my. I will probably not win any of these, but who gives a crap?